Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by today. Hey, I just want to make a quick video. I'm in my backyard right now and the kids are sleeping, so this is the best time for me to do anything I want to do because they are taking a nap, like 2 hours. So this is the best time that I use to talk to you guys. So I'm right here in my garden, and listen, we're gonna do some harvesting. Okay, so I told you guys the other day that like I'm gonna be harvesting almost every day till fall, like almost every day. So I had already started doing it. See that? Ooh, what has fallen up? I have already started doing it. So let's go ahead. I'll show you other things that I have to harvest, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like my videos. Share this video and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below. Yes, okay, it's free. All right, let me show you around the garden. Okay. All right guys, so I also have some scent leaves. You can see very fresh. Whew. So scent leaves are in the family of basil. I love to use it for my soups because of the flavor. And you see the seeds are dry. The seeds are dry, and I'm gonna plug this and I'm gonna ship it to some people who requested for the seeds to plant. So if you need some, you can email me. Check the description box for my email. I'm gonna ship it to you. Fresh scent leaves, and they are ready to be harvested. This is a lot, but I'm not ready. All of these are scent leaves ready to be harvested, but I'm not ready to harvest it right now. Maybe tomorrow. All of this scent leaves. So this is my pharmacy, guys. Nature's pharmacy. Okay. So, and here my fresh water leaf. Water leaf is like an African version of spinach. Okay, there you go. Okay. You wanna get some more?
I wanna get some more.
Okay, I'll give you some more, okay?
Can I give it some more?
Okay.
It's in here. Potato? Give some, Mommy. Give some. Thank you. Four here. Four?
Drop me.
Here.
Drop the vegetable.
Okay, I went back.
Okay, baby. There.
Here.
Drop. There you go. Good boy. Thank you.
Okay.
Good boy. Thank you.
Yes. I want the vegetable. Mommy. Can I get the block? Mommy, here.
Mama. Okay guys, we are done for today's harvesting, today's vlog. Your girl got a lot of goodness. Ooh, see that? I got a lot of goodness from my farm today. So I want you to grow your own food. It's the best thing you could ever do for yourself and your family. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, this vlog. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, share this video, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. Yes, it's free because I upload videos every week. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Let me go enjoy this goodness. Bye.